break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. The way I do that is by budget decorating, budget shopping, DIYs, upcycles. Sometimes we might splurge a little bit because sometimes you have to have those statement pieces, but I mix them all together to create a high-low, luxe for less look. So if you love home decorating and you want to decorate your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. So if you have not already subscribed by the end of the video, if you like what you see, I hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. So in today's video, we are going to have my summer home tour. So you guys know that I love to decorate for the seasons, and every year I have a theme. So last year it was an urban jungle theme. If you missed that video, I will leave the playlist link down below. It was a whole series. You can go check it out if you're needing some summer decorating inspiration. And this year we're using what we have. So we're taking the things that we had last year, switching them around and creating a whole new look using what we have. So this year's theme was Modern Safari. So if you want to see how I decorated my home for summer, make sure you keep watching. And remember, if you haven't subscribed by the end of the video, I hope you become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Now on with the tour.